Pleasant morning to you, the viewers, the subscribers. How you all doing? It's Links 7 TV. So a situation took place in Lionel town, Clarendon yesterday, in which a number of individuals would have lost their life in what police has been deemed a motor vehicle accident after a high-speed police chase. Now, if the police report is actually what transpired, it's very sad to see what really happened to those young individuals who were said to be coming from an illegal party when this unfortunate situation occurred. It is stated in an initial report that the police actually signaled the vehicle to stop, and the occupants of the vehicle disobeyed the police signal, and then they eventually crashed. So a number of videos have been surfacing online with people in the community protesting, as it is alleged that they were actually shot. Now, late last night, the police provided a report, and this has been from the Corporate Communications Unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. They provided a report stating that the injuries of the individual were sustained from the motor vehicle accident and not necessarily from the police shooting these individuals. Now, I'm about to provide a detailed update on this on my Links 7 TV Let's Talk in the coming hours from now. So, as the situation remains tense over there in Clarendon, I'm just imploring the members of the public just to try their very best to let the law follow its course. And I just want to send condolences to the family and friends of those that would have lost family members in that incident. I'll continue to provide you with any more information to come on this though, but it's a very sad situation. I've been able to obtain some images of the actual vehicle in which these individuals were traveling in, and I can tell you it is a bit damaged per se in relation to what the police are stating. But I continue to update you with any more information to come on this. This is Links 7 TV. Peace out and bless, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers.